First things first, hands should be like fingers spread like this. You want to have your hands slightly pointed outwards so that this V part is front onto your mat, okay? So once you do that, your fingertips are gripping. Imagine that you're like a little tree frog, just a little scared tree frog gripping onto the tree. So you're going to, from here, from hands and knees, push your hips up and back. I hope this is like okay to see. And basically, okay, we'll start from the fingers up. Grip with the fingers. You want to twist rotate your triceps towards each other, as if you're trying to face your armpits to each other. You want your, look at the shape of my back. So you want your back, neck, all of that to be one straight ramp, if you will. And then your legs, your feet, they don't have to touch, all right? They don't have to be flat on the ground. They can be up here. Your legs can be bent, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is this flat ramp back. So if your downward dog looks more like this, that's totally fine. And then as you keep doing it, you can work on getting the feet flat, okay?